we have been roaming around France and visiting different monuments. Perhaps this is the oldest that we have visited so far. The Gate of Mars, as they call it, Porte de la Mars, dated back to the 3rd century. So, how does it feel to be in front of a 3rd century monument?
It feels awesome, and as you can see, it's a beautiful, there are engravings, and in fact, this is one of the 4 gates of entrance to the city.
Yeah.
So, that way, that's the main entrance. As you can see, the middle one, the bigger one, that's the, through that, people used to enter the city. And the best part about this is it's such an old, such an old monument to think of it 3rd century. But look at the engravings. They're beautiful.
Last day when we visited the Notre Dame, also I also said this one, that the architectural brilliance in that era is what that amuses me. 3rd century, and what I really like is that it's still so in such a good condition.
Absolutely.
And they have preserved it so well. It's one of the 4 gates.
There are some portions which, have started
those are
coming off a little.
benefit of doubt.
But the way this has been maintained, and the whole surrounding, it's beautiful. There is a park this side. Of course, as you can see in the visuals, families are hanging out. There are fountains. Also, the best part is the location.
City ke Beacho Beach, as they call the tram station.
Suddenly, Rohan becomes a commentator.
एकदम शहर के बीचों बीच ये monument, and because as I said, the बीचों बीच मतलब this tram station is called the Gare du Centre, which means
this is called Schneider. That's the Gare du Centre.
अरे वही बोलो, because where we got down, the Gare du Centre means the center station.
Yeah.
So the center station, as the name suggests, this is the city center. So if you are in Reims, this will be the proper location. The costs are very high of accommodation over here, but because
it's obvious, and also there are restaurants, there are shops. If you are a shopaholic, none of us are. Good for us. Also, there is a cute little pizza joint, ice cream joint there, where Rohan has said that he will treat me. Right?
Even if I wanted to, I can't.
Guys, affordability issues, But to be very serious, Rohan, why don't you and I just go and take a walk through the gate?
Absolutely.
And show them the visual of how it feels to walk inside the city through the 4th gate.
To the 4th gate, dating back to the 3rd century.
Wow.
But we are dressed as in jerseys and 21st century.
That's 21st century.
So that's all for now. We'll just give you a tour of the place around. Enjoy the visuals. Enjoy our coverage, because in less than a week's time the Paralympics starts.
And do not forget the Diamond League tonight.
Yeah, tonight. So
it's tonight itself. So Neeraj Chopra after Olympics, in the Diamond League, we need to keep an eye on that. And as you know, Rev Sports has their eyes and ears everywhere. So keep watching Rev Sports and like, share and subscribe.